Marvin John Heemeyer was an American welder and an automobile muffler repair shop owner who demolished numerous buildings with a modified bulldozer in Granby, Colorado on June 4, 2004. Heemeyer had feuded with Granby town officials, particularly over fines for violating city health ordinances, when he chose to dump sewage from his business instead of installing a proper septic tank. His feud came to a head on June 4, 2004. Over about 18 months, Heemeyer had secretly modified a Komatsu D355A bulldozer by adding layers of steel and concrete intended to serve as armor. He used this to demolish the Granby Town Hall, the former mayor's house, and several other buildings. Heemeyer's rampage concluded with his suicide after his bulldozer became trapped in the basement of a hardware store he had been in the process of destroying. Marvin Heemeyer was born on October 28, 1951 in South Dakota and lived in Grand Lake, Colorado, about 16 miles away from Granby. According to a neighbor, Heemeyer moved to town more than 10 years before the incident. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.